Hello, in our previous video we saw how to download free data from Zerodha using Financial API. In this video we will learn how to add next day data, or if you haven't downloaded data for a few days, how we can append that data to your existing file. For that, let's switch to new Jupyter notebook where we are going to append the data for the next day or days. Here is the file. Now the first step here is to import the required libraries. Here is the library. And next step is to define the variable start date and end date. Here previously, while downloading historical data, our start date was, if we look at this file, the start date was January 1st, 2021 and the end date was 10th March 2024. Whereas while appending data to existing file, our start date will be March 11th and our end date will be April 10th. Here in this file, I would suggest to make the difference of start date and end date to be 30. Moving on to next, add Zerodha credential to your Jupyter file. Next, we have to read the Excel file using panda function of read_Excel. And our last step is to write a for or while loop that can append data to the existing file. Here is the code. In this code, there is a for loop and while loop that is going to fetch data from Financial API. Important part is here, this code. What it is doing is, it is opening the file that is available in that directory, each file, and writing all the necessaries, next day's data into that file and moving on to the next file. Let me show you what is going to happen over here. Here is the data of SBIN share that is from January 1st, 2021 till 7th March 2024. And if we look at our download Jupyter file, we have downloaded the data from 1st January 2021 to March 10, 2024. Here what we are going to do is, we are going to append data from March 11, 2024 till the current date where market was active. And this code over here, what it will do, it will open the SBIN share file, append data to it, and it will move on to the next file. So let's execute this code now. As you can see, it has appended the data from March 11, 2024 to 28 March 2024. Let's go over to the file and check whether it has downloaded the data or not. Here is the file. Let me zoom it and let's scroll down, and here you can append the data till 28 March 2024 and timing is 3:29. Thank you.